Hey there folks, my name is Kevin Frausto, a third-year PhD student in Dr. Larson's lab at the University of California in Riverside. Fun fact about me is that I did my undergrad up north where I got my bachelor's in biochemistry. But as you can see, I'm back again in SoCal. Well, I'd be lying if I said weather didn't play a factor in all this. For you see, I'm quite accustomed to warmer climates. Plus, a lot of my friends and family live here, so it's nice to live close by. And last, but certainly not least, is the fact that UCR is a reputable school for both biological majors and agricultural science majors, like myself. So overall, it was a good match for me. Well, let me show you. So here in this lab, I'm researching a particular protein called phosphoenolpyruvate carboxylase, or PPC1 for short, which is found within the plant species Arabidopsis thaliana. Specifically, I'm investigating the effects of single amino acid substitutions to key regions of the protein structure, and seeing how these changes can incur substantial benefits to the protein with respect to carbon fixation, aluminum resistance, and even essential amino acid biosynthesis rates. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, that's great and all, but what's the point of researching the weed? It's not as if we can eat it, which is a good point. So what if we tried these substitutions in other plant species that also have PPC1, like in maize, wheat, or soybean? These are crops that we can consume, and with these substitutions, they could absorb more CO2, become more nutritious, and grow in regions that would otherwise be unsuitable for farming. This project could be the key to solving world hunger and possibly climate change. So now that you've gotten the gist of my research, you're probably wondering to yourself, will UCR be a good fit for me? And that's a good question. My personal advice is to give it a chance. You'd be pleasantly surprised on what UCR has to offer its students. I know I was when I first started out. So come on down to SoCal and become the next Highland.